Students, good evening. Nana, can you hear me? What happened?
Good evening, sir.
Yes, sir. Good
Throw.
evening, sir.
Okay, good evening, good evening. Okay, so I think yesterday we are discussing electronegativity that we are discussed, right? And how electronegativity changes in periods. So electronegativity means what we can say, it is like a tendency of an atom to attract the shared pair of electrons. That only na electronegativity we can say. Isn't it, Nana? Mm. And along with that, what one more thing we have, that is mm, after electronegativity, and how electronegativity depends on that. So electronegativity depends on the hybridization of atom and size. Okay, in hybridization we have seen sp2, sp3, and after that we have seen uh, oxidation state. Greater the oxidation state, higher the electronegativity. This point also we have observed. And next one, what we have seen, how it is changing in periods and groups. How it is changing in periods and groups. In periods from left to right, what happen, electronegativity values increases, and in groups from top to bottom, electronegativity is keep on decreases. Okay. So these are the uh, points which we have discussed yesterday. Now we are going to discuss about the mm, so how, what are the applications of so what is the difference, what are the applications of electronegativity? Okay, so applications of electronegativity. First application is uh, first application is to predict the metallic and non-metallic character. Metallic and non-metallic character of metallic and non-metallic character of atoms. Okay, that means what we can say, generally electronegativity increases electronegativity increases means non-metallic character increases and electronegativity decreases means negativity decreases means metallic character increases. ఓకేనా స్టూడెంట్స్, అర్థమైందమ్మా? నెక్స్ట్ వన్, second application is predict polar and non-polar bonds.
Sir, what are
Bit
polar and non-polar, sir?
polar and non-polar bonds. In chemical bonding, we have discussed. No, polar means what? When there is an electronegativity difference is there. Hello. When there is a electronegativity difference is there, that means what we can say. Hello.
Yes, sir.
So when there is electronegativity difference between atoms, let me write that one. Okay.
Okay.
Between two similar atoms, there is no electronegativity difference. Okay. Then it is said to be polar, sorry, said to be non-polar covalent bond.
Sir, once can we go to the previous slide?
1 second, no, 1 second. Example, H2, F2, Cl2, O2. These are all non-polar molecules.
Sir, Cl2 or Cl only, sir?
Cl2. Okay, non-polar molecules, right?
Yes, sir.
Next one.
Sir, previous slide. Sir,
Mm,
electronegativity decreases means metallic character increases, they are inverse, sir.
yes. Then
1 second. Yes, sir.
okay. Mm. So between, for example, say if I'm taking Cl bond Cl, the electronegativity difference, chlorine having both chlorine having same electronegativity, no? That means there is no electronegativity difference, no? So this type of bond is said to be non-polar molecules or non-polar bonds. Between between two atoms if electronegativity difference is there, then that bond is said to be polar bond. Example HCl, HF, because different atoms are there, no? Okay, so obviously there will be electronegative difference means these bonds are said to be polar molecules and the molecules are said to be polar bond. Okay,
Yes.
next one, valency and how it is changing valency. Complete చేసారమ్మా?
No, sir.
Okay, can I continue? Continue చేయనా? Next concept is valency అంటే ఏమవుతుందమ్మా?
Sir, once could you go to previous? Yes, sir.
Valency means what?
So the tendency of atom to attract another atom.
No, actually valency means, okay, valency is different, valency electrons are different, okay na? Valency means it is combining capacity. That means what we can say, the number of bonds formed by the atom. For example, nitrogen, how many bonds it can form? 3 bonds, no? Whereas oxygen it can form 2 bonds. So here nitrogen valency is 2 and oxygen valency is 2, and fluorine it can form only 1 bond only. 1 bond it forms. Only 1 bond it forms, no? So this is one. Understood, Nana, what I'm trying to say? Generally, valency, how we can calculate? Generally, basically, how we can calculate generally? Valency of a metal generally equal to number of valency electrons
Non-metal is 8 minus electron.
Very good. Okay, electrons of metal. Whereas valency of non-metal is
Sir, if nitrogen forms 3 bonds, it should be minus 3 na, sir.
-3. It is number of bonds, Nana. Bonds how it is forming. It is like not minus.
Oh, dash, sir.
Dash.
Okay.
Sir, how can we know that a particular element can form this many bonds, sir? I'm trying to understand it a little difficult.
That only I said no. So if it is first, you know whether it is metal or non-metal.
Yes, sir.
From that one, each bottom I have written formulas. No. For example, nitrogen what?
7, sir.
Nitrogen valency what?
5, 2, 2
No,
to
no.
5, sir.
Nitrogen metal or non-metal?
Non-metal, sir.
Non-metal, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Uh, now, how many valence electrons are there? In nitrogen, how many valence electrons are there, Nana?
Sir, 5.
5. So non-metal a formula what? 8 minus 5, no? So 8 minus 5 means
Yes, sir.
what? 3 only, no?
Oh, yes, sir. It's a formula, sir.
Yes. These are formulas. Okay. Done?
1 minute, sir. Sir, for metal, what, sir?
Hmm?
Number of valence electrons only is the number of bonds it can make, sir.
Yes.
Sir?
Hmm.
Sir,
What?
if the valency of a non-metal is below 8, then what will happen, sir?
Below 8 means?
We have to subtract 8 now, sir, from the valence.
8 minus number of valence electrons, Nana.
Yes, sir. If the valence electrons is less than 8, then it will go into negatives now, sir.
Sir, valence electrons will be never not number more than 8. It will not be there, no. Let me take an example. For example, magnesium if I'm taking. I want to find out magnesium valence is how much. Magnesium valence is this. What is magnesium? Atomic number.
12, sir.
Configuration is 1s2, 2s2,
2s2,
2p6.
2p6, what? 3s2.
How many valence electrons?
2, sir.
Valence electrons are 2.
2, sir.
So number of bonds formed by magnesium also 2, no?
Yes, sir.
Now let me take any non-metal. Let me take oxygen. Yes. Oxygen atomic number,
8, sir.
configuration,
1s2, 2s2, 2p6. 4, sir.
How many valence electrons?
6, sir.
Valence electrons are how much? 6.
Sir, for metalloids?
And from there, what we can write? 8 minus valence electron 6, that is 2. No? Metalloids also will take non-metal formula only. Okay.
Sir?
Uh,
Sir, is there any element which will have a valence electrons F9 to F14 like that, sir? Ending in
nothing.
F orbital.
Nothing. Electrons are there F orbital, but electrons we can present in F orbital, but valence electrons more than F14 it's not possible, not possible.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay, now students. Now how this valency changes in groups? Uh, in groups, valency remains same. For example, if I'm taking first group, so first group elements valency is what? 1 only. If you are taking lithium also 1 only, sodium also 1, potassium also 1, and if you are taking cesium also 1 only. Okay. In periods, in periods, valency increases. Still, middle of the periodic table, and after that decreases till 0. Non-metal valence, inert gases valency is 0. Okay, na? One more point I want to add on here. Inert gases valency is 0. Inert gas valency is 0. That means valency, inert gas doesn't form any bonds. I want to write. Done. Okay, students.
Yes.
Mm.
Next topic is there, sir.
Uh, okay. So this is about the valency and all the points, Nana. Okay. Till now we have discussed. Okay, periodic table we are able to complete. Okay. So we have completed all the periodic table completely. We have completed. Okay, periodic table we have done, and syllabus. Once you please confirm, I will read the syllabus which we had given earlier. In this one, if anything left, please let me know. Okay. As I remember, so I had
Sir, one more thing we left, sir.
1 second. See, in this one, structure of these are only topics which we have given earlier, right? Discover
Yes.
of fundamental particles we have done, right? I need response from you, please.
Yes, sir.
Wave theory,
Yes, sir.
Planck theory,
Yes.
Rutherford's model,
Done, sir.
Bohr's model,
Yes, sir.
quantum numbers, and electronic configuration also done, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Next, periodic table classification of elements,
Done, sir.
Dauvergne, Newlands, and Mandlow's periodic table,
Yes, sir.
modern periodic table also,
Yes, sir.
periodic properties, atomic radius,
Yes, sir.
IP,
Yes, sir. Electron affinity we did not discuss now, sir.
electron affinity is nothing but electron gain enthalpy only, no?
Oh, okay, sir.
Next, electronegativity,
Yes, sir.
and along with that, we have
Electron
discussed
bonds all
valency
are done,
also.
sir.
Huh?
Types of bonds all are done.
Types of bonds, ionic bonds, covalent bonds, day-to bond also were done. And along with that, we have completed, which one we have done, Nana?
Hybridization.
Hybridization also we have done. And along with that, we have completed MOT, sorry, VBT theory also we have done. Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Mm.
Valency bond theory, sir.
Yes, yes. Valence bond theory we have discussed, right?
Yes, sir.
Sir, isn't that part of hybridization, sir?
No.
Separate only, sir.
Uh, because valence bond theory, what it says?
About the valence electron.
So how covalent bond will form? Okay, to explain that one, it was given.
Yes, sir. Sigma bond, pi bond.
Okay. Okay, now students.
Yes, sir. Sir, then remaining
So
chemistry classes will we discuss new topics, sir?
that we will see. Okay, so how many days I can get? Let's see that. Let me discuss with sir once, and after that, okay, if I'm getting classes now, then we will plan either to discuss some questions or we will discuss some new topic.
We'll discuss new
Okay.
topics, sir. Questions, anyways, grand test will also be now, sir.
Otherwise, we will discuss new topic like bond parameters also there. Okay, we will see that one. Let's see that. Okay, let me discuss with sir, then we can continue. Okay.
Yes, sir. Math also topics are over and sir started new topics, sir.
Okay. Okay, let's see that. Okay, till what date we have. From there, after that, we can discuss. Okay. I hope you like the classes and hello.
Yes, sir.
I hope you like the classes and you understood the things clearly, I believe. Okay. So on this topic, I will periodic table. I will share one assignment for tomorrow. Solve that one. Okay, and after that, if classes are there, we will continue. Right. So we are expecting your cooperation in coming days to come also. Okay.
Tomorrow, how many questions, sir?
Give 50 questions. I will give around.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Then 5 minutes only there. No, so 10 minutes only there. I am signing off for today. Okay, in 10 minutes. Okay. Now tell me, mm, students are there. I think new students also joined in last 3 months. Students, have you understood, Nana, what we have discussed? What is our target?
Yes,
Hello.
sir.
The persons, those who are joined late, for example, those who are not there in their regular syllabus.
Sir, could you repeat, sir? I did not hear.
Actually, the students who was not there from June onwards, some of new students also joined. No, like
Yes,
Ritvik was
sir.
not there, I think.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Have you understood what we have discussed in last 1 and 2 months, 2.5, 3 months?
Yes, sir. 70-80% I understood, sir.
Okay. So, Ritvik, in which class you are studying? Are you there?
Eighth, sir.
Eighth standard. Okay. From?
From Jyoti Vidyalaya High School, sir.
You are from where?
BHL, sir.
Huh?
BHL, Patancheru.
Acha, TS.
Yes, sir. Telangana.
Okay. Okay. So, is it helpful in your classes? What we have
Yes, sir.
discussed? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Uh,
Definitely.
I think in your classes, if these topics were discussed, are you able to answer
Yes, sir. Very easily.
other than any your fellow friends? You are able to answer quickly, or Still again you are struggling.
No, sir, except Shashank, I am comfortable moving, sir.
Okay. So I think Ranveer I know from beginning and Shashank also there. Okay, so we will meet later. Okay, Nana? Good night, all of you. Have a
Thank you,
good
sir.
day.
Bye, sir. Good night, sir.
Yeah. Cooperate like this in coming days also. Thank you.